So, these are our drive cards. What is great about DriveHub is the various control options available. We have a large range of cards that allow any type of light to be controlled, from small point sources to 300 watt large space lighting. The cards are simply selected for each project and can fit into both the mini pack or rack mounted frames. This means you can easily control everything using DriveHub, making it a true one-stop solution. Our highest output drive card will deliver 2 channels at 7 amps. This is the highest modular output available on the market today, and it really does open opportunities for driving larger lights used for spaces and area lighting. The 1.5 amp 4-channel card is great for mid-range LED lighting, like 50 watt fittings used in retail or mid-range ceiling heights. Having 4 channels is also convenient for colour tune applications, keeping the number of cards to a minimum. The main workhorse for commercial lighting applications is our 700 mAh card. It packs a fantastic 8 channels in such a small footprint, so a DriveHub 2U card frame can be up to 96 channels of control, or the mini pack 48. It's perfect for general office panels, downlights, meeting rooms, or anything around 30 watts of power. Our CV card is designed for any product requiring constant voltage. Normally, these are used in LED strip applications such as cove lighting. It comes in a single high power channel, a large 10 amps, or a flexible 4-channel option, particularly useful for colour change scenarios. Where the customer has to integrate into existing cabling or even prefers normal mains, the IPM card, standing for Integrated Power Management, delivers data and power to your lights. You can use our clever smart bulbs, breakout boxes, to translate the data to control the LED light. The high density nature of something like the 8-channel card make multiple control applications extremely easy, with up to 96 separate control channels per card frame. A really outstanding control density in a small package.